Hello students, welcome to your online classes. Today we are going to do question answers of History Chapter 8. Uh, History Chapter 8, question number 2 is very short answer type questions. Okay. Why were several Christian missionaries sent to India by the Britishers? Several Christian missionaries were sent to India by the Britishers for the spread of education and conversion of Indians to Christianity. What do you mean by the Pathshalas? Pathshalas were places where students get both public and private education by a guru. Mention any one feature of the Pathshalas. The Pathshalas followed a flexible kind of system of education where there are no formal schools. Who found the Royal Asiatic Society of Bengal? Sir William Jones founded the Royal Asiatic Society of Bengal. Next question is, there are 8 very short questions. There are 8 questions. Next question is, who were Orientalists? The Orientalists were those people who had a sound knowledge of the language and culture of Asia. Now, what was the Woods Dispatch? Woods Dispatch is a scheme which was formulated by Charles Wood for the future education in India. Now you have to mention any 2 pioneers of educational reforms in British India. The Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Rabindranath Tagore were known as the pioneers of educational reforms in India. Now, what was the view of Mahatma Gandhi regarding westernization of education system in India? Mahatma Gandhi was against the westernization of education. According to him, Indians are becoming the slaves of Western education, thought and culture. Now you also have to fill these exercises in your book. You don't have to do any exercises from now on in the fair notebook. You will fill only in the book. Okay. So choose the correct option. First answer is Madras. Second, the headquarters of the Christian missionaries was at Srirampur. The Calcutta Madrasa was established by Warren Hastings. Then, who among the following was an Anglicist? So the answer will be James Mill. Okay. Now, the Woods Dispatch was formulated in the year 1854. Okay. The DAV College was started by Dayanand Saraswati. Who was associated with the Theosophical Society? The answer will be Mrs. Annie Besant. Shantiniketan is located near Calcutta. Pioneer of Nai Talim was Mahatma Gandhi. Sayyid Ahmad Khan made efforts for educating Muslims. Then you have true, false and matching also. So true, false. Teaching in Pathshala was mainly oral. This will be true. The Charter Act of 1813 provided funds for development of Indian education. True. William Jones was in favor of education system, European system of education in India. It is false. Macaulay Bennett laid stress on the Indian system of education. It is also false. Pathshala continued to progress under the colonial rule. It is false. European education neglected the masses. It is true. Mahatma Gandhi promoted learning through activity. It is true. Now, match the 2 columns. Raja Ram Mohan Roy established Vedanta College. Dayanand Saraswati gave the slogan Back to the Vedas. Annie Besant, Hindu College, Benares. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Education of the Girls. Rabindranath Tagore, Shantiniketan. Mahatma Gandhi, Vardha Scheme of Education. So this is the today's work. All work should be done in the fair notebook. But exercises, all the exercises like match the column, true, false, and MCQ, you will only fill it in the book. You don't have to do in the fair notebook. Only very short will be done in the fair notebook. So that's it for today. See you in the next class.